Let's do this. Good afternoon, guys and gals, and welcome back to the channel. As always, we've been to the post office. We've got £100 or 50 pences here to sort through, so let's see if this is going to be our lucky day. Let's dive right in. Right, first bag. So if you watched the channel previously, you'll see that I absolutely got spanked by Mrs. Nemo in one of the last pickups. So today I hope to reclaim my glory. Will we do it? Probably not. And in typical form, start as we mean to go on, we have got a King Sausage Fingers, Queen Elizabeth Memorial, trolling us off the bat. Right, try that again. And hee-haw in that bag. On to the next. Oh. And we have got the world famous Benjamin Bunny 2017. Many of you have seen this coin. It is common as hell. But it's still better than a King Sausage Fingers. So hee-haw else in that one. Let's see what else we've got. And hee-haw else in that one. Right, we have got a sealed bag here. Will this be the infamous 2020s? I think so. Now, one of the guys in Stacker Social, shameless plug, said that he knows of someone who got a sealed bag of these and found an Atlantic salmon. So that's going to make me want to check this out. These are very nice and shiny. Let's have a crack at them. I'm obviously not that lucky because it was all the same coin, and oh my god, we have got another bag. And another bag. And another bag. Righty, let's do this, guys. Oh, sealed bag of 2020s. This might be the shortest episode we have, but let's crack on. Hee-haw in that bag. Right, let's get this over with. Yeah. Nothing spectacular there. So we have got two regular bags here, so let's hope we can make up for it. Because if I didn't have bad luck, I would have no luck at all. There we go, we have got Uncrowned Charles Coronation from 2023. Hee-haw else in that one. Right, last bag. And we have got a Diversity Built Britain from 2020. So guys, £100 worth of 50 pence is sorted through. We have got 4 coins to show for it. As I said, if I didn't have bad luck, I would have no luck at all. So this is what we've got. We've got an uncrowned Charles coronation. We've got King Sausage Finger Charles here, Memorial Troll coin, a Benjamin Bunny, and a Diversity. So one more announcement. It's exciting news. Don't know what it means for this series, but bum bum bum. We have a 2023 with no privy mark Atlantic Salmon.
The day you walked away, you were the clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Love so hard to find.
we got him.
Now, I am very excited to have this coin in my hand. I have to give the guy a shameless plug here. This is from the Stat Collector. He was an absolute legend and sourced one of these for me. Now, again, I don't know what this means for the season, but I will, in good faith, keep searching the wilds for an Atlantic salmon, because I think it's only fair, and the OCD in me wants to have that feeling of finding one in the wild myself. So yeah, I love this. This completes my entire Circulation 50 pence collection. However, I still need that feeling of accomplishment of finding it out in the wild. So stay tuned, and we will continue this series on in good faith. But I want to give Stat Collector the dues that he's due. He is an absolute legend for sourcing this for me, and especially one in as fantastic condition as this. Absolute legend, my mate. So, thank you for watching, and until next time, peace.